Today we are going to make a powerful, immunity-boosting elixir that is great for general health. Welcome to our page. Let's peel the garlic cloves. We all know that garlic is healthy, and in addition to strengthening immunity, it maintains normal blood pressure, improves heart function, lowers cholesterol, prevents blood clotting, and is anti-cancer. With the arrival of the cold days, garlic is a great option in the treatment and prevention of colds. Tell me here in the comments if you usually get the flu a lot, or if you have someone in your family who has this constant flu and cold problem. You will need 10 cloves of garlic, and a piece of ginger. You can wash the ginger before cutting the piece you are going to use. Peel the ginger, and we will chop it into small pieces. Ginger is a wonderful spice that has many powerful healing properties and anti-inflammatory effects. Place the garlic and ginger in a blender, and blend until both ingredients are crushed. If you don't have a blender, grate the ginger, and grate or chop the garlic very finely. Let's get this mixture, and let's put it in a clean, dry pot. Put all the mixture in the pot, and then we are going to add the third ingredient that is very powerful, which is honey. Honey is full of enzymes, vitamins and minerals that act as antioxidants. It is one of the most healing and nourishing natural products in the world. Mix it well. We know that ginger is also a very good antioxidant, full of vitamins and minerals. In folk medicine, it is often used to fight colds and flu. Close the bottle and place in the fridge. Let stand for 3 to 4 days before using. Mode of consumption: take a teaspoon in the morning, on an empty stomach. For children, only from 1 year of age. Because honey is not recommended for children under 1 year. I hope this recipe will be of great help to you and your family. And tell me what you think of this recipe and if you would dare to make it at home. Thank you for watching this video. I want you to stay healthy. A big kiss, blessings to you and your family.